Alright, let's look at the percent proportion. Here, when we to set up the percent proportion, we have the percent over 100 is equal to the part over the whole. Now, this 100 is always in the denominator, and the percent, whatever percent we're talking about, is always going to go over the 100. Now, the part is the number being compared to the whole, to everything. And the whole is the entire quantity. One thing that can help you identify the whole is the whole usually comes after the word of. So if it comes after the of, it's probably going to be the whole. So let's look at some problems, and let's use this percent proportion. Percent over 100 equals part over whole. So let's look at this first problem. We have 9% of $150 is how much money? Okay, so our variable x is going to represent how much money. So let's set this up. Remember, we have percent over 100, so we have 9%, so that's 9 over 100 is equal to the part over the whole. So the whole in this problem is 150, and you can see that the 150 comes after the word of. So the part, which is x, that's what we're looking for, over the whole, 150. And now we need to solve for x, so we can cross multiply. So I get 9 times 150 equals 100x. So I've got 9 times 150 is equal to 1,350 equals 100x. And then I'm going to divide through by 100, and so that gives me x equals, see the 100s cancel out, and then 1350 divided by 100, that's going to give us 13.5. Okay? And since we're talking about money, x is equal to $13.50, and there's our answer. Okay, let's take a look at another one. What percent of 350 parking spaces is 7 handicapped parking spaces? Okay, so you can see here that our variable x is the percent. That's what we're looking for. What percent? Okay, so we have x, which is the percent, and remember, the percent goes over 100, so it's x over 100 equals the part over the whole. Now, the part in this case is the 7, that's the part, and the whole is the 350. Now, the whole is always going to be more than the part. Okay, the whole is going to be more than the part. And also notice the whole, the 350. Notice it follows the word of in this problem also. So we have 7 over 350. So now we need to solve for x. So we cross multiply. So I get 350x equals 7 times 100. So I get 350x equals 700, and then I'm going to divide both sides by 350. So I get x equals, and here the x's cancel out, so 700 divided by 350 is 2, and that's going to be 2%. That's what we're looking for. That's the percent here. So x is 2%. Alright, let's look at one more. We have 84 emails is 28% of what number of emails? Okay. Alright, so we have x is equal to what? Okay, well, 84 emails, is that the part or the whole? Well, the 84 emails is 28% of what number of emails? So the what number of emails, that's going to be the whole. And notice it comes after the word of again in this problem also. So x is going to be the total number of emails. So let's set up our proportion. So we have percent over 100. So 28 over 100 is equal to the part over the whole. So that's going to be 84 over the whole, which is x. So I solve this, I cross multiply, so I get 28x equals 84 times 100. So 28x is equal to 8400. I divide both sides by 28, so I get x equals 300. And there's our final answer. And that's all of the percent